Okay. Now this one from here. After showing the beginner chords, now I want to show you at least how you can improve from the simple passing chords I was showing, like these ones. These ones. So let's say maybe you want to go to your 4 and you want to play it better. You can play. Okay. So I was doing, what did I do? I did this. I played this one. Then I did. So what did I play? I played one. So you play one like this. Then you play. This is a flat 7, but you grace it. See? So after playing, the chords I'm playing is 1, 5, and 1. So I play the 1, the 5, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Then I play inside the 5, the 2, and the 5. Inside I'm playing the flat 4, flat 7, 1, 2, and the 4. Then I grace with the 6. Then I do. This one is that's the 1, but I'm doing with the 7. After, so I'm just playing the 1, the 5, and the 1. Then I go to sorry for this one. This is I'm playing. I'm just playing like the 6. So I'm gracing here. Sorry, I'm playing like this. Like this is the 2 chords here, 2 notes. So after playing, then we have, this is like your 5 now. So that is like going to the 5. So so let me play it this other side. So after I played 1, you have mastered that. Then you can also still do. After doing this, this one is very noisy. Sorry for that. Let me transfer it this other side. So this way, after doing, then I played. Then I played this. I just do. So this is after this. This is flat 5. So I'm playing the 6, 1, flat 3, and the 6. 6, 1, flat 3, and 6. So I'm playing the flat 5. Then I do. This is I'm playing the 7, the 5, and the 6. Then I'm playing the 5, the 7, 2, and the 5. On this side I'm playing 6, 4, and 6. On this side I'm playing 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, and 1. So and this now I'm just playing the 5, 7, 5, 1, 7, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 2. Back to the 1. I sing those chords. So what have I taught you? I've taught you this. also taught you. Then to 1. Play. Just simple, just sorry. Another passing chord you can use here. We have something like this. So I'll use examples of those passing chords, all of them. So like this, the other ones I've used. Let us try. Jehovah. Then I've remembered another passing chord is there. You can use. You can use that. This is a 2 major. This is a B flat, flat major. Play the major chords. 2 major, 3 major, 2 major. So try to play. You go to your 5. You can play this as your 5. 5, 6, 7. So you can also play your 5 like this. 5, 6, 7. So this is what so simple. So another one you can use. Another way of going to the 4 again. A different advanced way, better, at least intermediate way. So we can go to the 4. Maybe you're playing. So you want to go to the 4. So you can use this. So let's use an example. Unastahili kuabudiwa. Unastahili. So after that, unastahili kuabudiwa. Unastahili. So what did I play? I played 4, 1. Then I played so after that, after I played then I played the 3 note, 3 to 6. Then this was 6. Then 2, 5, 5. I just played the 5 like this also. Then 4. So the chords I've played this on the right hand are just this way. So these are 6, 2, the 2, then 5, 1. So So the right hand side you play the 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. That's what we play. So this side you play 6, 2, 5, 4. Again. You can do this. This is flat 5. Then you can do the normal. So for example, so let's now play those. Then you can do but all those passing chords are not really necessary. Just play the necessary ones. You can do your 2.